Hi guys! Welcome to the Selective Series again, where we look at another question from a past Selective High School exam paper. So in this question, it says, in a competition, 11 students were allowed 2 attempts each at jumping as far as possible. The longer distance in the 2 attempts was counted as their result. The attempts for the 11 students are shown in the table. Which student came 5th in the competition? So the first thing we need to look at is the actual result. So for student 1, their result would be the longest jump, which is the 5 meters. For student 2, 5.8 meters is the longer one. Student 3, 4.9 meters is a longer one. Student 4, 4.7 meters is a longer one. Student 5, 5.1 meters is a longer one. Student 6, 5.7 meters is much longer. Student 7, that's where it gets a little bit tricky because the first attempt is actually longer. Student 8, 5.3. Student 9, again, the first attempt is much longer. Student 10, second attempt. Student 11 was the first attempt. Okay, so we want to figure out who came 5th in the competition. So we need to put everything in order. So the longest we have is 5.9. So that's student 11 coming first. And then we have 5.8. So student 2 coming second. We have 5.7, so that's student 6. Then we have 5.6, fourth. Now this is the one that we're looking for. After 5.6, we have 5.5. So that is the 5th, which means it was student 9. So, which student came 5th? It was student 9. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, never stop learning.